the lungs are all inflamed, and they either are all, you get the basso profundo cough because it's all inflamed in there, or you get a dry cough. You can't, and except the Mullein cough, it's a subacute bronchitis. It's not acute. It's not a pneumonia. Maybe in some cases if it went through this phase, but it's really for relapsing bronchitis.